Okay, so it's Friday, and unfortunately it's about 8:15, so I'm getting a little late to start, but that's okay. Headed to Louisiana, and should probably be there before 12 o'clock. Okay, so it is 9:47, later than what I had thought, that I wanted to be on the road. But anyway, coming into Beaumont, just a few more miles, 4 or 5 more miles. I'll get on 10 for a little bit, and then take Highway 12 there at Vidor and start heading northeast. Okay, it is 10:20, and I'm through Vidor, and I'm getting ready to come up to Cayuga, not too far away, and I'm still showing an ETA at the church of 11:27. So weather's great. Traffic is a little worse than it was the other day, last trip, just because it's Friday, and love bugs so far are manageable. So I just crossed into Louisiana, just crossed the Sabine. It's 10:30. Still showing a arrival time at the church of 11:27 now, and 44 miles away. It's funny how it's amazing to me that really not much damage here. I don't see anything. A few blue tarps, but to be honest, I don't know that some of those houses I saw blue tarps on that isn't part of their normal roofing strategy. Anyway, so far so good, and the traffic is good, weather is good. Okay, so we're 10:50 in the morning. Not too far out of the Quincy. Bunch of emergency vehicles up here going, 30 miles an hour. People trying to pass behind me. Seems like they're having more trees down. I'm sure it's just because they're moving the ones that have been on power lines and stuff to the sides of the road. Anyway, still showing a 11:30 arrival time at the church, but traffic is definitely worse. Coming into DeQuincy, and making some progress in some of these places that the other day were in the very early stages of having progress. Electrical work going on up here. Traffic is horrible, but it's moving. Okay, we're in DeQuincy, I'd say middle of town. We're probably a third way through the town, and we're not moving much. Slowly but surely, we're getting through DeQuincy, but this is definitely the choke point. Power lines are working hard. Folks are doing everything they possibly can to get things rolling. There's a Family Dollar store that says "Do not enter, not safe." I would say that's true. Okay, we'll forgive the fact that it's 9/11, but their flag is not at half staff. They probably are not even aware that today's 9/11. It's about 11:50, or I'm sorry, 10:57. It's almost 11 o'clock, and we're crawling through, accepting new patients. Well, they were. Four-way stops, kinda. Traffic has picked up to about 40 here. We're clipping through town out through Bagley now. I'm sorry, through DeQuincy, headed to Ragley. I'm still showing 20 minutes to the church, and they've cleared the roads well here. Large trees the other day were blocking the roads, and some of these power lines have been restored. At least the lines are up, but power's still out. What's really interesting is up here, I don't know if it's a ranger station or what this is. It fared well during the storm, but I bet you that was a fantastic experience riding it out up there in that elevated deer stand. I think it's
She said she was going to walk across. Do you know me?
I'm leaving out of DeQuincy, headed home. A couple hours, 2.5 hours from home, and things ought to be looking good from here on out. They were very appreciative today of the supplies, and matter of fact, there may be more activity of them again serving as a hub at that Missionary Baptist Church than they were the other day. So they were greatly appreciative of everything that we gave them, and I told them that at least I will be bringing something Monday, and they'll give me a focus list on the things that they need. So again, thanks to everybody that have contributed, and they continue to suffer, but appreciate the help.